Let's scrape a website for data with ChatGPT. First, choose which site you want to scrape. For this tutorial, we will use bookstoscrape.com. Open ChatGPT, and write an instructional prompt to generate the required Python code. ChatGPT will generate the Python code, as well as an explanation on how the code works. Open Visual Studio Code, click File, then open Folder in the top right corner. Create a new folder and give it a name, then click Select Folder. This folder is our root directory. Now create a new file by right-clicking the directory on the left, then select New File. Name this file app.py. This file will hold the Python code. Go back to ChatGPT, and find the Python code. Copy this code and paste it in the app.py file using Visual Studio Code. Remember to save your files. To run the web scraping script, open the command console and navigate to the correct directory using the cd command. Now type python app.py and hit enter. If you run into any issues, you can copy-paste the error message and ask ChatGPT.
Subscribe.